Right, the next menu item is show or hide, which is a bit complicated because there's a lot in this one. So if we click show or hide, you can see show area borders to begin with. That's the thick boundaries. We can show or hide those. We can set the thickness of those to really thick or really thin. So we'll set those back. We'll set them to something thick so we can see what we've changed. The district borders, we can show or hide those. Make those thick as well if we like. And we can show or hide the area labels or the district labels. So we could hide everything and just have a map of colours with no boundaries. So if we show those again, and then we can come along to show town names. So actually we'll hide those, and we'll hide those. We'll go show town names, just shows the town names. Show town dots will bring up little dots to signify roughly where the centre of those towns is. Same with villages, village dots, village labels, city dots, city labels. So we can populate a map with towns, villages, cities. Not all of them are on there, just a decent number, and the larger ones as a general rule. So we can unhide those if we like. We can also show or hide parts of the country. So show England, no. Northern Ireland, Southern Ireland, Scotland, Wales, Isle of Man, London inset, or Channel Islands, which I assure you was down there. There it is. So what we can do, if we take a look, we'll see, look at the rest of the map. There, we've got the rest of the map. And we can also move the London inset from here down to here. Best in a portrait map to see the effect. Moving London inset, we'll put it down here. So that's good if you have a large key that spans all the way down here. You might not want London to be up there. We can also show the ULEZ zone. It's not very popular, but it's there if you want it. And we'll view the borders again and the labels. So this works in just the same way as the rest of the map, where it colours larger areas when you zoomed out. As you zoom in, colours individual areas, districts, sorry. And when you've coloured it on there, it also colours it on the main map. Like so.